بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم فرینڈز، ہسٹری آف پاکستان سیریز کے اس حصے میں ہم ہندو ریفارم موومنٹس یا ہندو اصلاح پسند تحاریک یا مذہبی تحاریک کے بارے میں جانیں گے۔ ویڈیو شروع کرنے سے پہلے میں آپ سے ریکویسٹ کروں گا کہ اگر آپ کو میری یہ ویڈیو سے فائدہ پہنچے تو میرے چینل کو ضرور سبسکرائب کر لیجئے گا تاکہ مزید آنے والی انفارمیٹیو ویڈیوز بر وقت آپ تک پہنچ سکیں۔ آئیے ویڈیو کو شروع کرتے ہیں۔ فرسٹ کویسچن ہے، when Raja Ram Mohan founded a new religious society known as Brahmo Sabha? Answer is 1828. Brahmo Sabha was later known as Brahmo Samaj. The object of Brahmo Samaj was to purify Hinduism, preach theism, and preach worship of one God. Which Hindu movement first of all criticized sati? Answer is Brahmo Samaj. When Keshab Chandra joined the Brahmo Samaj? Answer is 1857. There were 54 branches of which Hindi movement before the end of 1865? Answer is Brahmo Samaj. Which Hindu religious movement changed the outlook of Hindus toward Western ideas? Answer is Brahmo Samaj. When Prarthana Samaj was established? Answer is 1867. Who founded the Indian Association in 1876? Answer is Babu Surendranath Banerjee. Where Indian Association was formed? Answer is Kolkata. Who founded the Arya Samaj in 1875? Answer is Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati was a great scholar of, answer is Sanskrit. To whom Arya Samaj targeted mainly? Answer is Islam and Christianity. Who founded the Shuddhi movement in 1923? Answer is Swami Sharadanand. When Albuquerque, the Portuguese viceroy, prohibited sale in Goa? Answer is 1510. When Deccan Education Society was set up? Answer is 1884. Who was Gopal Krishna Gokhale? Answer is life worker of Deccan Education Society. When Cow Protection Society was formed? Answer is 1882. Where Bankim Chandra Chatterjee literacy movement began? Answer is Bengal. When widow remarriage law passed? Answer is 1856. Which act gave the right of vote to women in subcontinent? Answer is the Government of India Act 1935. Under which act many seats were reserved for women both at center and provinces? Answer is the Government of India Act 1935. فرینڈز، اگر آپ کو میری یہ ویڈیو اچھی لگی یا آپ کو میری ویڈیو سے فائدہ پہنچا تو میرے چینل کو ضرور سبسکرائب کیجئے گا۔ بیسٹ آف لک فار یور ایگزام۔ اپنا بہت سارا خیال رکھیے گا۔ اللہ حافظ۔